Chris-o. I'm just about to start rolling the walls in. I'll just zap this. Dee dee dee. I was listening to another good song on the radio. Oh, I love my radio. I'd like my radio going when I'm talking to you people, but nah, they have me up for copyright all the time. The buggers on YouTube. They weren't very happy with me at one part there. Never mind. Yeah, get that. What can you do? I'm not one for masking it off and making it all level and straight. If you want to be anal like that, well, fine. I think it's bloody stupid myself. But anyway, everyone to their own. Makes it look pretty. Having a nice straight line, but it doesn't serve any purpose. I'll just roll that out a bit so it doesn't dry and I get a lump. This is the first coat in today's episode. The DIYs they've stripped it out and resheeted it the best way they know how, and they've slopped a bit on the floor. They've resheeted it and that sort of thing the best way they know how, and they've done well. It's not hard to do. I'll brush that slop out before I forget about it and it dries. Dee 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 dee. All right, good people. I'll see you soon. Look up there. It's all wiggly and it's not straight. Oh, smack my hand. We'll see you. I'm just getting at the people that do it nice and straight. But anyway, you armchair people, you can say something about it. I don't care. It doesn't worry me. Say all you want. It doesn't have to be straight to masking tape and level. What a lot of crap, I'll know. See you soon.